Conclusions and summaries. Nice work on getting to this stage. We covered quite a bit for your first interaction with Linux. However, these are the most essential functions you're going to be using whenever you interact with a Linux machine. I hope this room hasn't been too daunting for you to power on through it. It's, as I previously mentioned, you're going to become familiar with these things very quickly because of how often you're going to be using them. To quickly recap, we've covered the following: understanding why Linux is so commonplace today, interacting with your first ever Linux machine. We learn commands, ran some of the most fundamental commands like list, print working directory, who am I, grep, find, had an introduction to navigating around the file system and how we can use commands like find and grep to make finding data even more efficient. Power up your commands by learning about some of the important shell operators. We have and, double and greater than, and double greater than symbols. Take some time to have a play around in this room. When you feel a bit more comfortable, progress into Linux Fundamentals Part 2. I feel comfortable right now.